Hello, everyone. My name is Cheslin Ernst, and I am one of the two instructors for the English for Everyone Uncovering the Tenses course. And this will just be a class where you'll get to practice speaking English with other people who want to learn. So I have 3 points for this presentation. They're really short, but the first point is our goals for this course. Our hopes for this course is that you will be able to place your thoughts, feelings, and actions into words. Speak English more comfortably and confidently. Improve your English skills in a class where you feel safe and welcome. And be proud of your learnings and putting them into practice. Because ultimately, what we want you to get out of this class is one, learn how to speak English better, but most importantly, to be able to speak English with more confidence and more comfort. The second point is our mindset for this class. Learning is not about being perfect. It's a lifelong process, and everyone has room to grow, whether you're a native speaker or a language learner. Making mistakes is a part of the learning experience, and it is nothing to be embarrassed about. We all make mistakes, native speakers and language learners, everyone always makes mistakes. There's no one truly perfect, so it's nothing to apologize about. It's a good learning opportunity. And ultimately, your hobbies and interests and your daily lives are very important to us. And we want you to be able to learn to talk about the things you care about. So what to expect for this course? It's 6 weeks. It's only 1 hour a week. But in the class, we'll get to read a little bit, write a little bit, but especially talk in English. We'll practice making introductions and having casual conversation. So not so much in the professional setting, but just learning how to talk to people that you meet on the street or people that you meet in more casual and comfortable settings. You also get to learn how to correctly use the past and present tense to talk about how you feel, what today's date is, and what you do in your day-to-day lives. You'll also get to share about your lives and what makes you happy. And the one thing we're most excited about is that you'll get to meet new people who want to learn and care about your learning experience. Because we just want everyone in this class to be able to learn how to speak English even better and be really happy with their learnings. But if for more information, we'll be covering more on the first day of class. Thank you so much. And I really hope that we get to see you on March 29th for the first day. Thank you.